Hey, it's Eric with RedPodium. In this video, I'm going to showcase our brand new feature called Win-Back Emails. This allows you to automatically send an email to any registrant who began to register but maybe abandoned it. And so our philosophy with RedPodium is to create the highest converting registration platform possible so that emails like this are not even necessary. So you're going to have that, but we all know that certain people might get distracted, something happens, maybe their card declines. And so this feature is designed to help go win back those people who started the registration process but did not complete it. Let me walk you through how it all works, and I'll show you how to configure the emails. Here is our sample fictitious event. And so we're going to go down to the bottom here, and we're going to look at the email address field right here. If I type in my email address here, this is going to now create a watcher on this email looking for a completed registration. And if the system does not find this email associated with a completed registration in 20 minutes, it will be added to the win back queue. And so that is where you can send emails, inviting them to come back and complete their registration. It's important to know that they don't even need to have to hit submit down here. If they just enter their email address in here, that is going to enroll them into the eligible pool to get one back through these emails. So if that's all they entered there, you can send them a win-back email. And same thing, if they happen to complete it all, submit and had an error, and then abandon, this will also work for them as well. Let me show you how to set it up and how it works. So we're gonna go back up here to the builder, and we're gonna go under the emails, and under here you see there's a win-back emails category. And we have two in here I've already built just to save us a little bit of time. So to go and look at this, we're gonna hit edit. We have a name, and then we're going to have the email settings here. We have the subject line, the from, the reply to, and then the body of our email. And so what we want to do is maybe first say, hey, we noticed you started but didn't complete, come back and finish it. So I like to think of these first win back emails as being a little bit more of a nudge. And so we can set that and then hit review and schedule. And then here is where we're going to set a delay. So we're going to set a delay from the time that is officially classified as being abandoned, so more than 20 minutes. So we're going to set it as 5 minutes, but you can see here, you can set intervals for days and hours. And then we have an end date. And then this is going to define the last time this win-back email should be sent. And the reason we want to set this is we don't want to send a win-back email after your event is over. So you want to make sure that these have an ending time. And there we have our email down there. We can hit schedule. So from here, we can then hit send a test, put our email address in there. We can preview in our inbox. We can view it, we can clone it, which I like to do the clone to create additional emails. So it's gonna be email number 3, you can hit continue, and then from here, you can just modify a prior email and use this as a starting point. So that is how it works. And so you can have as many of these emails as you want. And before the next email goes out, the system is going to go and review and make sure that email address has not since become part of a registration. So if, let's say, I got this email and clicked it and completed my registration, I wouldn't get email number 2. So you can create a whole series of these, and it's really flexible and really powerful. So email number 2, let's take a look at this one. I like to think about a offer as you go through additional emails. So this one is going to have a 10% off, and this is going to be just a, hey, I'm following up, just making sure you didn't miss it, and I want to give you a coupon code for 10% off. Make sure you go register the coupon code, and come back and complete your registration. This is very effective to help people come back and complete their registration. So then we're going to look at the time delay here, and notice on this one, I've set it as 2 days. So email number 1 is going to go out 5 minutes after they abandon. This one's going to wait a couple days and send them this email. And you can configure this however you want. All the delays is totally fine. So again, you can just create more of these. So if you want to have additional ones, you go ahead and just add them and create that whole sequence. So if you want to, again, modify these, you also can disable a certain email if you like, and so that will turn that one off. And so you really have the power to make these really flexible and to play around with them. And then as you go, we will give you some reports here. We'll give you clicks, and soon we're going to have registrations and dollars made in here. So we'll track the effectiveness of these win-back emails as well. So that's the quick crash course in win-back emails inside RedPodium. Hopefully this has been helpful. We can't wait for you to use it. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team. They would love to hear from you and help you. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.